friends. We're in Scotland, like every day, because that's where I live. And it just snowed at the end of February like crazy. We're being hit by some monster storm. And we're going to combat this coldness by going to Patisserie Valerie, or Patisserie Valerie, however you call it, for afternoon tea. I can't see. All the shops are closed. Scotland can't handle a little bit of snow, apparently. No! Claire's is closed. I think it's open. Which is a plus. So cute. Really hard with one hand. Oh god. I'm stealing these. Round 3. Go! Oh yeah, go for the chocolate. So, Conan's taken all the chocolate and left me all the fruit things.
Good for you.
Okay. I think this is carrot. You can tell by all the carrots in it.
Victoria sponge.
This one doesn't want to cooperate. Damn it. You feel pregnant?
Yes.
Very good. I don't know what that is.
That took a while.
This is the last time I give Conan the phone to film me eat. It's just like the Instagram. The Instagram. It's just like Instagram all over again. Insert pictures of Conan's Instagram filled with me like this. Now we're out of the patisserie place and we're stocking up supplies for the terrible cold winter that we're not prepared for. We're walking down the centre of the road to get in because the main road is, or the pavement is slidey as all hell, and the middle of the road is not that much better, to be fair. It's pretty great. dangerous.